Hello students, our today's topic is defined learning block reasons. What do you mean by defined learning block reasons? The key for a learning block can be entered in an item or in the account of a business partner. The block item or accounts are not considered for the learning run. For that we can use transaction code OB18 or bypass SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Accounts Payable, Business Transactions, Dunning, Basic Setting for Dunning and Define Dunning Block Reason. रीजन डिफाइन करते हैं. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, Financial Accounting, Accounts Receivable and Payable, Business Transaction, Dunning, Basic Settings for Dunning and Define Block Reasons. Click on New Entries. We will assign the reason by Z Payment Advice over the telephone. Click on Save button. Now click on Create Request and enter the description. Define Dunning Block Reason. Click on Save button and then click on Continue button.